Hello and welcome again to FEFT and more. So glad to be with you and thank you for returning. If you're new here, welcome newcomers. And for repeatees or returnees, thank you. I'm glad you're getting value from these little tips that I put up for your English fluency in your English journey. Well, as you know, English is an international language. We call it a global language because it's used all around the world, around the globe. So don't hesitate to subscribe. And yes, turn on your notifications so you can get more of these juicy morsels of tips for your English treasure chest. Yes, and don't forget to give us likes. And remember to please tell a friend. All right, today we're going to be talking about that little word, if. You see here, only 2 letters, and it's a small word, but it has a big meaning, or can have a big meaning. We're going to be using the word if in clauses and sentences and questions today with 2 future words, will and might. A future tense, you see, words that we use to talk about things in the future. So let's go with the little word will in clauses with if. Let's use if and will together in a question and answer situation. Okay, let's talk about some people who are going to have a baby. Here's the question. What are they going to name their new baby? Well, in answer to that, if they have a boy, they'll name him Bob. That's a typical American name. If they have a girl, they'll name her Jill. Jill is a fairly common name in American society. So you see here, it's decided what they will call the baby if it is a boy. They will name him Bob. And if the baby should happen to be a girl, then they will name her Jill. You see, it's decided. Will is definite, decided, you see. Now let's look at the word if with a might clause. Well, here's another conversation. A friend is giving advice to a friend who is driving a car. And this person says, you know, you shouldn't drive so fast. And the driver says, oh? And the friend says, yes. If you drive too fast, you might have an accident. And so the congenial driver says, you're probably right. So isn't that good? He's listening to his friend and taking the advice. Well, it's not decided that they will have an accident, but he certainly could. So we use the word might, something that could happen, but it isn't as definite as in the usage of the word will, you see. It may not happen, but it very possibly could happen. Might have an accident. Well, let's use another example. Okay, how about someone who likes to sing? Maybe they go to karaoke often, they like to sing at home maybe, and the friend says, you know, you shouldn't sing so loudly. And the person is, oh, really? Yes, if you sing so loudly, you might get a sore throat. Oh, You're probably right. There's a scenario of being at a karaoke place and singing too loudly, or singing at home too loudly. If you sing too loud for too long, you might get a sore throat. You see, it's not decided that the person will get a sore throat, but they very possibly could. Undecided but possible future circumstance. So, how is that? Did you get some value there for your treasure chest of English tips? Your fluency will soar once you use these videos on FEFT and more. I venture to say that if you watch these videos, your fluency will improve. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do come back, and we'll be having more of these. I will be having more of these videos for you when you come back. Not an if, but a will. I know you'll be back, so do turn on your notifications. Yes, give us likes, subscribe, and remember to do tell a friend. And please, do take care. Bye now.